I have it all over my shower just like that.
The holidays are here, and so's my Limescale. Let's fix this.
Chaos and comfort, swing it with cheer. Calamity's kitchen is cooking right here.
I'm having a problem with limescale and mineral deposits forming on the tile in my shower. A dishwasher tablet. That's all I'm going to use. I already have hot water in here, so I'm just going to take this one packet. So let's hope my little idea is a win and not a flop. I have it all over my shower just like that.
Yep, I let it get that bad.
No way.
2 of the bottles that were in the caddy, I put them in the solution to soak. The other bottle I left out so we can do a comparison.
Look how long I've been showering with my Limescale. I decided that this caddy needed to soak a little bit more, but it eventually came all off. And you know what? This is a very economical way to clean the Limescale off of anything. And you know, I'm going to say that this is a win. Definitely a win.